Raindrops fall, the city glows. Umbrella shadows where the cold wind blows. You looked at me, I lost my breath. A quiet spark that I can't forget. Every heartbeat sounds the same, but tonight it's calling your name. Whispers in the rain, softly calling. Your eyes found mine, and I kept falling under silver skies. Our hands collide. Love begins where the echoes hide. We walk through puddles, side by side. The world was loud, but you were my quiet. You smiled, and time just slipped away. Like a dream, I wanted to stay. Every step felt like a song, and I knew this couldn't be wrong. Whispers in the rain, softly calling. Your eyes found mine, and I kept falling under silver skies. Our hands collide. Love begins where the echoes hide. Maybe the storm will fade away, but I'll still hear your voice someday. In every drop that hits the ground, it's your name, the sweetest sound. Whispers in the rain, still I'm dreaming. The night we met keeps on repeating.